In today's gospel, Jesus tells us the parable of the vineyard owner and his laborers. The man goes out early in the morning and hires some laborers to work in his fields and promises to pay them the fair wage. He then goes out like every 3 hours or so and promises all of them the same wage as those who started in the morning. And finally, at the end of the day, he pays everyone the same amount, and those who were hired early in the day begin to grumble. Well, there are a couple of things I'd like to call your attention to when it comes to this particular parable. The first one is what a cheapskate the owner of the vineyard is. Why didn't he hire enough workers in the morning? Why did he try to get the labor, get the work done on the cheap? Second, each time the owner goes back to hire more people, he talks about their idleness, as if to say they're lazy because they can't find work, when, as a matter of fact, it's not their fault, but his, that they don't have work. It's the fault of the owner that these people have not been hired. He needed more laborers. He didn't hire them. So, among other things, in this particular parable, Jesus is challenging an unjust system of labor and ownership, a system that rewards greed, and a system that blames workers for being lazy, even when they're not. And so my question today, the question that I leave us with is this: how much have things changed since the time of Jesus?